Here's a quick video looking at the Crutchfield catalog for fall 2000, winter 2001. Just a quick view of a few things, and if you have anything that you'd be interested in looking at in more detail, because sometimes it's hard to find on the internet, or it's just not available. We'll take a look here at some vintage audio. In the year 2000, we have the MD mini disc Walkman, a really good mini disc car audio stereo that I have in storage, a CDR recorder. Just to take a look at a few things. Look at this, something I've never seen. Afterwards, looks like a DVD player, and it's got this huge remote display. Nothing on here, and you can control it from there. We'll just quickly run through the pages just to give you an idea. And this is also an example of the inexpensive. What I'm using to record this is the LG G Pro. From the LG G Pro that goes for about $60 to $80 on eBay right now. An excellent smartphone for very little money. Okay, so and it records in stereo. You see, speaker one. In stereo, sorry. Mic 1, mic 2. Okay. Anyways, it's got a lot of specs. Maybe something that you see here. You could write me, let me know that you'd like more detail on it, because you can't find it online. This has the original pricing that you can refer to, and all the specs of the car stereo receivers. We have Kenwood, we have Pioneer, Jensen, JVC, Sony, Panasonic, Baopunk, Clarion, Aiwa, JVC. Did I mention JVC? Clarion. We have CD changers, mini disc players inside the car. Cassette decks for the car, radar detectors, more specs on receivers, dual DINs, fitment for different vehicles, speaker details. I have a few Clarion magazines I'll be putting on YouTube. Our speakers, all kinds. If you have something that was made in 2000 or 1999, some 1998 products as well, you can write me, see if it's in here, and I can make a video with the details, going over the details for you. MTX audio. It's always seemed Mickey Mouse to me, but I guess it wasn't back then. This is such stuff you find in Walmart now. Rockford Fosgate, all kinds of subwoofers, Polk Audio, Pioneer, Infinity, JBL, MTX, Sony, Sherwin-Vagon, Kenwood, boxes. This is when car audio was huge. Symmetry, signal processors. What the internet looked like back then. I had this baby. This was amazing. This equalizer here was fantabulous. The parametric EQs, the double DIN spaces, car security. Can you believe that stuff? Remember that? I don't need that anymore. Phones. Wow, look at this. $180 for a phone. I find these in thrift shops for $5. Mini stereo systems, all kinds. Home theaters, when they were actually very good. Nowadays, I don't think they would be. It has descriptions on the different types. If you have any questions, you can write me. Mini disc players, cassette decks. I love cassettes. Just something about them. Turntables, speakers, high fidelity speakers, high folk audio. They don't have any KEF in here, do they? JBLs, surround sounds, acoustic research. Lots of goodies. Oh, and video cameras. These specs are hard to find online, so if you have anything, Sony, anything at all you'd like. Look at this, oh my god. There's a camera that records on these little floppies we used to use with like 1.33 megabytes. Amazing. TiVos, the original VHS players. High scan televisions. Sony's. Alright, so that's it. If you have any questions, there's CD changers in here as well. If you have any questions. Oh, there is something in here that's really interesting. CDs. It's like a $3,000. Where is that product? I'm going to look for YouTube online. I'm sure someone's made a video on it. And here we have the original cost of this baby. And it's a high fidelity CD player. Here it is. The Sony SCD-777ES Super Audio CD. Totally went obsolete. But look at this. I'd love to hear what that sounded. It used to be $3,500, went down to $2,500. Some technology, maybe just a gimmick, but I'd love to hear if there's any difference. The CDs sound amazing already on WAV files. How can that sound even better? How can that be audible to a human? I don't know. But anyways, thanks for watching. This is the Crutchfield catalog, fall of 2001 to 2001. Hope you enjoyed. And if you have any questions or anything you'd like me to look up here in detail, I can make a video for you. Thanks so much for watching. Mobile Freedom Enterprise. Have a nice day.